Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. All morning long, the accountants from the Michigan Association of CPAs have been answering your tough questions right here from inside of the Help Me Hank phone bank. They have been very busy. In fact, George is not on the phone for the first time all morning long, so you can call him right now. Robin can take your call. They're answering all types of questions for free, so this is an exciting opportunity for you to take advantage of. The number to call is on your screen, 313-298-WDIV, 313-298-9348. Our consumer investigator, Hank Winchester, also talked with our CPAs and other experts, all who have advice on how to maneuver through this tax season and how to avoid some costly mistakes.
The tax deadline, it is quickly approaching. Are you ready? Do you have everything in order? Because remember this, even if you make a small mistake, it could cost you big time.
It's time to sharpen your pencils and start working on your tax returns if you haven't already. If you're a business owner, your taxes are going to be more complex. J&F Advisors says one of the biggest changes affecting 90% of businesses they represent is the meals and entertainment deduction.
Prior to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, meals and entertainment was generally 50% deductible. However, the new law has completely eliminated the entertainment deduction, and there are some exceptions to that. However, for the most part, a business can no longer deduct entertainment expenses.
That means it's harder to deduct going out for a meal or maybe a basketball game with employees and clients.
You do have to have sufficient documentation to support that it is an event that is for the benefit of employees.
No matter who you are, if you need to file an extension, you don't just get it automatically. You need to file it by April 15th.
Another thing that people don't always know is that if there's a balance due and you file an extension, even though you have been extended time to file your return, the balance due is still due at the time of the tax return being due.
Finally, don't make a mistake that could really cost you. Make sure all the information is correct on your return. Double check it. If you're filing electronically, tax prep software is great, but it's also easy to maybe add an extra zero or forget one, and that will land you in hot water with the IRS.
The software is actually very good. I mean, I make a point to actually run my own tax return through TurboTax to see where maybe someone's going to be getting snagged up somewhere or what it looks like. But, you know, at the end of the day, it is data entry, and there's a lot of things that can go wrong with data entry.
Another big mistake, entering your bank information incorrectly. For example, if the routing or account number you accidentally entered doesn't exist, the IRS is going to have to issue you a paper check for your refund. If it belongs to someone else, your money could go directly to that other person, and it would be a big battle to get it back. And don't miss the filing deadline. If you happen to owe the IRS money, you'll be charged 5% of the unpaid balance for each month past the deadline.
We have more tax information and advice from the pros. Everything you need to know can be found right now on the Help Me Hank page at clickondetroit.com. I'm consumer investigator Hank Winchester. Help Me Hank.
All right, Hank, thank you. The Michigan Association of CPAs are here to take your call for the next 15 minutes, and then they have to go to work. But they have multiple locations across the metro area, from Troy and Auburn Hills to Southfield. But take advantage right now. Get your free call in, 313-298-WDIV or 313-298-9348. After 7 a.m., the phone bank will close, but it will reopen again at 4 p.m. this afternoon until 6:30 during our newscast this evening. So take advantage over the next 15 minutes and make sure you get your call in if you want to answer or you have a question and you want to get it answered for free.